Hey guys, Team Galactic Beast 80 here.
Hola.
Vanguard match for you. And this is none other than the Great Nature
versus Kagero Toolbox.
Yes, the best kind of Kagero.
It has boxes and tools as well.
Dice rolls, shall we? 4 in the land on top of my deck.
Ugh, it's so camouflage, guys.
And 4. 2. 3. Choice.
I'll go second.
Okay. Go ahead.
It's a wolf. He is
one
silver.
tech, though.
Tech, 12 Vanguard.
No.
Check.
No, I need that.
Do you
I really do.
do you want those now?
I feel like it. I just gotta hope you don't get triggered.
Singular clap.
Okay. No trigger, please. 10.
12.
Go.
I choose to not let you do this. It's not good for your health. I don't like your starter at all.
Okay. Well, you can use him, so I'm happy.
14 Vanguard.
Oh, God.
Good power.
Ouchie. Am I good?
Feels like the last 2 games.
Alright. Let's see. Fact. Okay. 14. 16.
16?
16.
Okay.
Crit power. 24.
Power heal.
Good.
No. You saw what thing?
I did not.
Oh, okay. You're at 2. Why are you doing this to me?
I'll let you too. I have no choice.
Yeah, I have no choice. 16 Vanguard.
I guess.
I mean, Jesus is a thing now. A thing.
Yeah, but my hand's not good for Jesus right now. My hand is really awkward.
Awkward, you could say.
I mean, if you're about that kind of life,
I am.
then yes.
Have you seen the I Know a Kid named Cole meme?
I have not.
It's basically where Johnny Depp does that pose thing, and it says, I know a kid named Cole, and he loves men.
16 Van 4K here. I'm not gonna comment on that.
No, God. Someone sent it to me.
Wait, hang on.
Earlier.
Pause.
Pause?
4K here.
Okay.
16.
Cool.
Crit power. I don't need to be a grade 3. 21. 4K to the otter.
No, stop it.
23. Vanguard. Go.
Let me play the game. Let me play the game.
I can't really play the game either, okay, Cole?
Shut up. You can play the game fine enough. You have Binoculars Tiger.
I know.
All
It's so
you
good.
need.
And it's SP. SP.
Let's go. Soul Blast.
What does he do?
I can't blast 1, Soul Blast 1. When it attacks, I move. Yes, when it attacks, I choose Great Tutor to retire.
Okay.
Kill this. No, the back one.
Back one?
Back one. The one on the right now.
Okay.
16 big.
Do 19. 29.
Right?
Yeah.
Crit power.
Yeah.
16 2 crit. I think it might hurt me. Anyways, I don't want to be hurt.
Legion. Let's go for it. Wait, can I? I could attempt to fail. Nope.
Okay.
Alright. I can't use the skill because I do not have no persona.
Cool.
27 4K.
Perfect. good. Die. 16 Vanguard. I deserve what.
Carvan, draw!
I deserve it after what you did to me. 18 rigor.
18 rigor?
Yes.
That's it. That's fine. Wait.
Yes. Dalton?
Yeah.
I deserve a crit after what you did to me.
Right. Tester. Call. Engine. Oh, I need to make plays here. Tap?
Yes.
Okay. Tovan. 27. Okay, here. Sure. Power. GG. Ugh. I misplayed. I forget I didn't stride. I couldn't use a skill. Restand +4.
Good job.
Thank you. I mean, I feel different. Alright. Well, game 2. Good day.